another crafty haul for you today. I went to my local craft stores and bought a couple of things online, and I wanted to share with you guys the deals that I got. I'm really excited. Start off at Hobby Lobby. I got some Reset Girl tiny word stickers for $1.24. I got some Webster's Pages 2 packs of inserts for my Traveler's Notebook, only $1.99 a piece. This is the front design and this is the other design, so this will be fun. Got these Reset Girl planner stickers, $1.24, which is a great price. I picked up some of these really cute, they're called spare parts closure handles, and I'm going to use them on my little mini books. Yeah, so this will be fun. These were on sale. They were like 40% off or something, so I figured, hey, why not? Picked up these Creative Devotion stickers. They were not on sale, but I thought it would be fun to play with them. I like these painty, stripey looks. I like that. Now these lovelies were on sale for 62 cents, so I picked up a whole bunch. This one was 74, but there's a bunch of words. Some of them are foam, some of them are chipboard, but they're all very glittery and sparkly. So we've got hello, blessed, faith, more hello, inspire, and believe. So I thought those would be really fun titles for my layouts. And yeah, the price is right, my friends. Next, I picked up this ribbon. It was on sale for like 40% off. This is my favorite ribbon that I use on a lot of my layouts, and it's just lace ribbon. So if you ever wonder what I'm using, that's the one right there. Next, I picked up this gelatos set from Faber-Castell, and I had my 40% off coupon, so that's what I used on this one. But look at the colors. This is the pastels set, and it's just beautiful. And then thickers on clearance. Yeah! Okay, $1.24 for these lovely thicker packs. Both of them are foiled. One is silver, one is gold. And then the Amy Tangerine alphabet book with 8 pages. That is $8. $1.99. Yeah, that was coming home with me for sure. These Dear Lizzie thickers, again $1.24, and more of these words. Grateful and fabulous. And then these stickers were reduced to 74 cents, so I thought, why not? I might make some good titles. There we go. And then I got some Totally Tiffany, organizing thingy-mabobs. So first I got the little, these are dividers. These are the storage boxes to hold 12 by 12 paper. And I'm going to organize my cardstock. I think I have a lot of colored cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and get that all organized. And so now from Michael's. Okay, from Michael's, I picked up a large hexagon punch. It was on clearance for like $6, which is fabulous because these are like 20 bucks normally, because all I have is this little one. And this is brilliant for Project Life and Traveler's Notebook, but for big layouts, I kind of wanted a big one, so I got it. And then my major steal were these fantastic Traveler's Notebook covers, okay, that are made by American Crafts. Just says American Crafts on it. And $3.97, $4 for these covers. These things run $20 to $30 minimum, and I'm really excited to have gotten 3 of them for $4 each, and they come with an insert, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, so I got 3 of those, and then I used my coupon on some Jane Davenport collage papers. So pretty. Got them for my art journal and possibly some canvas projects, because I actually have a place for my easel right now, and I'm really excited to get back to painting. So these are just gorgeous, gorgeous tissue paper type things that collage on very nicely for backgrounds. And now I picked up these really sweet sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps. Glitter Love, which are like super sparkly and have little hearts. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And there it goes. Some beautiful little hearts. I thought that was gorgeous. Picked up these mini sequin pack of gold snowflakes. And then of course I got the pink and blue, kind of tealy blue ones called Triple Axle as well. And the Music to My Heart, beautiful ones here. And grape juice, because they're purple. I love them. They're so pretty. I like the little polka dot ones too. That's kind of cool. And then I got a shimmers. This one's called Pinko de Mayo. And look how beautiful and sparkly it is. Isn't it pretty? So excited to play with that. And then from scrapbook.com, I got a few things to finish off some collections that I had. I went and organized all of my supplies, my whole stash, into little kits. And there were some areas that were a little lacking and would make it a little difficult to use it as a kit. So I picked up some pieces that I think will kind of flesh it out a little bit. So I got the Pink Paisley Take Me Away 6x6 paper pad. This is not new. This is a fairly old collection, but I have some of the papers for it and I'm excited to play with those. And then I picked up the BU ephemera from Pink Fresh. I'm sure you've seen this one. It's probably been in multiple kits. So there's that one. I picked up, a couple of Vicki Boutin things. This Vicki Boutin rub-ons from the All the Small Things, All the Good Things. And then I also got a couple pieces of paper from that collection as well, because I have the 7x10 paper pad, and I really wanted just a couple of papers that I could use as backgrounds for layouts or larger elements to kind of flesh out that kit. Then I picked up the Amy Tangerine puffy stickers because they're purple and pink and teal and gorgeous. And then I got the Let Your Heart Decide puffy stickers. I've had these before, loved them, used every one. So I have a few of these papers and decided, why not? I did get the Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet gold stickers, which I think I've asked Christina to put into one of my future kits. And I just want more. I'm impatient and I want them now. So I bought them. And then the BU puffy stickers. I haven't had these, but I have some of these papers, so I thought, why not? Summer Lights. I have a bunch of Summer Lights stuff. And so I really wanted to get some of the stickers just to play with those papers. So they're holographic and kind of hard to show on camera, but they're very pretty. This is an older collection as well. And then the reason I was placing the order is because Prima came out with a new collection, and it's probably my favorite one ever. So I had to pick up a few things. Picked up the butterflies. Aren't they stunning? And I'm going to use this packaging. Yeah, that's going to happen. So they are so cute. Love that. Got the ephemera pack, which also comes with some stickers. So here is, let me give you a close-up on that. So that is what is in the ephemera and the sticker sheet. Look at those gorgeous florals and the butterflies. These colors are just right up my alley. Love them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flowers with little pearls. Oh my goodness. And then the paper pad. Isn't it just? Oh, it's just. Alright, I have to cut this open and have a little peek in there because it's gorgeous, you guys. It's just so pretty. I'm telling you, I think this is my favorite Prima collection ever. Wow, the gold foiling is amazing. Butterflies. You get, I think, 4 of each design. And the backs are just as beautiful. How gorgeous is that gold foiling? Oh my word. Nice subtle on the back. So there's like ledger paper like this. Not usually really up my alley, but the back of it is this gorgeous marbly, tealy deliciousness. Yes, I can use that. Got a little cut apart here with butterfly, florals, and the back of that is this one. So just gorgeous, gorgeous collection. And one more thing from scrapbook.com. I also picked up some of these new Distress Oxides. Not all of them are new, I don't think, but these are the ones that I picked up. I got Mermaid Lagoon and Tumbled Glass, and then I got Shaded Lilac and Spun Sugar. So I have one more thing to show you really quick. I'm trying to keep this short, and it is from Colorcast Designs, and I'm really excited about it, so hold on just a second. Okay, from Colorcast Designs, which is a company I'm fairly new to, I picked up a few things there. They had a little sale going on a while back and decided to pick up some wood veneer hexagons and some little words. And then I got some acrylic pieces. The larger ones I will probably not use very much, but the tiny ones I really liked, and it was a good price. Then they had some grab bags with just a mixture of things, and so it's got a lot of wood veneer, which I love, a little bit of acrylic. I don't mind the acrylic words, those I can use. It's the larger acrylic pieces I have a hard time with. So if you have any good ideas for using acrylic pieces, let me know. But these are the two grab bags. They're kind of neat. As you can see, it's just a kind of a hodgepodge of different things. Looks like most of the acrylic in here is words and some smaller stars and things, so I can use that. Excited about that. Also picked up some of these. Now, y'all may be aware that I have had some issues with my traveler's notebooks getting a little bit chunky. So I think this is going to be my solution. I have some binder rings that I'm going to put in here, and going to use these lovely wood covers for some future notebooks. So I have a couple different designs here. Have our story 2018, summer 2018. We have a trip I'd like to do a little traveler's notebook about. Have right now, so you could do like a currently album. That one. This one may be my favorite because it's cut out, and I bought 2 sets because you could put a piece of pattern paper behind this, and how cool would that look? Let me see if I have one. I do, but it's not the prettiest of colors. Here we go. So check that out. Doesn't that look cool? So I definitely picked up 2 of those, and then I got this one, which, there it is. It says all about me, and I want to do an album all about me, so that would be cool. So that is the last of my giant crafty haul for September. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and until next time, bye.